welcome to all. Today we are going to study decoding and error correction. So here we solve some problems. So we take first example. Let e from b square to b raised to 4 be 2,4 encoding function defined as e of 0 0 equals to 0 0 0 0, e of 0 1 equals to 1 0 1 1, e of 1 0 equals to 0 1 1 0, and last one, e of 1 1 equals to 1 1 0 1. Construct the decoding table using cosets. So see here, an encoding function e from b raised to 2 to b raised to 4 here defined. So here the code words are given. Now here we want to construct the decoding table using cosets. So here by using left cosets we construct the decoding table. Okay, now here solution. Let n equals to 0 0 0 0, 1 0 1 1, 0 1 1 0 and 1 0 1 and 1 1 0 1. It's a subgroup of b raised to 4. Okay, so n is nothing but this e of 0 0, e of 0 1, e of 1 0 and e of 1 1. Okay, these are the code words. So here n equals to this set is a subgroup of b raised to 4. Now here we want to find the cosets, all left cosets. Okay, so here the number of cosets, see, b raised to m contains how many elements? 2 raised to m elements. b raised to m contains 2 raised to m elements, right? So here b raised to m contains 2 raised to m elements. So here b square to b raised to 4. So here b raised to 4 contains 2 raised to 4 elements. So here we want 2 raised to 4, that is total 16 elements. Okay. Now here that contains the code words. So here set n contains the code words. Now here b raised to 4. So here b raised to 4 contains 2 raised to 4, that is 16 elements. So here let y belongs to b raised to 4. Here we want to select y such that y belongs to b raised to 4 but y does not belongs to n. But y does not belongs to set n. Okay, and whose weight is minimum. So here we want to select y belongs to b raised to 4 but does not belongs to set n and whose weight is minimum. Okay, so see here, suppose y equals to 1 0 0 0. So see here 1 0 0 0 does not belongs to set n and belongs to b raised to 4 and whose weight is again minimum. Now here compute y ring sum n. So here we want to compute y ring sum n. After computing it, we get the new left coset. So here y ring sum n equals to, so 1 0 0 0 ring sum 0 0 0 0 is 1 0 0 0. Now second 1 0 0 0 ring sum 1 0 1 1 is 1 plus 1 0. Then 0 plus 0 0. After that 0 plus 1 1 and 0 plus 1 is again 1. So we get this. Now next 1 1 1 0 and then last 1 plus 1 0 and here 1 0 1. So this is the new coset. We get this new coset. Okay. Now b raised to 4 contains 2 raised to 4, that is 16 elements, and out of which we have listed 8 elements in n and y ring sum n. Okay, so here out of 16 element we list here 8 element. Now we want to list remaining element. So for that we select new y which does not belongs to y, which does not belongs to n and y ring sum n, but whose weight is minimum. So here y belongs to b raised to 4, but y does not belongs to n and y ring sum n. Okay, so here we take y is equals to 0 1 0 0. So check here 0 1 0 0 does not belongs to n and y ring sum n. Okay, and whose weight is again 1, which is minimum. Okay, now again we want to find y ring sum n. So y ring sum n is here 0 1 0 0, then 1 1 1 1, after that 0 0 1 0, and last one 1 0 0 1. Okay, so we get next 4 elements. Now here we list how many elements? 12 elements. So again 4 elements remaining. So again we want to select next y. So here we take y equals to. So see here 0 0 1 0 belongs to this coset, right? So that's why we can't select here. Now here we want to take y belongs to b raised to 4 but does not covered in this 3 coset. Okay, so here we take 0 0 0 1, right? So now check 0 0 0 1 does not belongs to all these 3 cosets. So here we take this. Now we find the new coset y ring sum n. So we get first 0 0 0 1, next 1 0 1 0, next 0 1 0 1 1 1, and last one 1 1 0 0. Now we get this 4. Now we get this 4 cosets. Okay, so we construct a table. So the decoding table is first row. So in table this is first row. 0 0 0 1 0 1 1, then 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 0 1, right? Next one 1 0 0 0, then 0 0 1 1, after that 1 1 1 0 and 0 1 0 1. This is second row. Now third 0 1 0 0, next 1 1 1 1, 0 0 1 0 and last 1 0 0 1, and last one 0 0 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 0 1 1 1 and last 1 1 0 0. So now this is the decoding table. Now no element is repeated here. Check here, no element is repeated. Every element is distinct and these all elements are the left coset. All of you get it, how to find the decoding function? So see here, for finding decoding function, first of all take set n that contains the code word. Then select y which belongs to b raised to 4 but does not belongs to the n here and whose weight is minimum. Then find the coset varying sum n. So here we get this coset. After finding this coset, here b raised to 4 contains 2 raised to 4, that is 16 elements. Now out of 16 elements, here we already listed the 8 elements. Now we want to find new 8 elements. So again, for finding that new that remaining 8 elements, we take y which belongs to b raised to 4 but does not belongs to these two cosets, okay, and whose weight is minimum. So we select it and again find the next coset. So we continue this process up to which we get 2 raised to m elements. When we get 2 raised to m element, we stop the process and we get the decoding table. Now see here, in this decoding table, this first column or first element of every row is called as the coset leader, okay. So here all of you note that first element of every row is the coset leader. So first element of every row is called as a coset leader. All of you get it this? Now here in this question we add one more question. So here the question, decode the following words relative to a maximum likelihood decoding function. So here first sub-question, decode the following words relative to a maximum likelihood decoding function, and words are given 0010 and 1100. Okay, now we decode these words. So to decode the words, first of all we want to construct a decoding table, and after constructing decoding table, here we decode the words. Okay, so here first word, we denote this word by xt. So xt is equals to 0 0 1 0. Now we locate the position of this word xt in decoding table. Okay, so first locate xt in decoding table. So see here 0 0 1 0. So here the word 0 0 1 0, which is placed in third column of third row, right? So here it is in third column of third row. Okay, it is in third column of third row. Now observe this column and observe the first or top element of this column. So here the top element of third column is 0 1 1 0. So write down this. The top element of third column is the top element of third column is 0 1 1 0, right? So here now see the definition of encoding function which is mentioned in the given question, right? So here by the definition of an encoding function, E of 0 1 is equals to 0 1 1 0, right? So here decode xt equals to 0 0 1 0 as 0 1. Okay, so see here, first to decode the word, first of all construct a decoding table. After constructing it, locate the position of xt in decoding table. After locating position, select the top element of that located word xt which placed in that column. Okay, so we select the top element of that column where the element xt is placed. Okay, now by using the encoding function, we get e of 0 1 equals to 0 1 1 0, and then decode xt 0 0 1 0 as 0 1. Okay, now in similar way we decode this word. Okay, so here we do here again. Decoding table is as it is. So here second is 1 1 0 0. So xt is equals to 1 1 0 0. Now again first locate xt in decoding table. So 1 1 0 0. So here 1 1 0 is placed. So it is in the fourth column. It is in the fourth column of fourth row. It is in the fourth column of fourth. Now observe the top element of fourth column. So the top element of fourth column is 1101. So now by the definition of encoding function, E of 11 equals to 1101. So here decode 1100 as 11. Decode 1100 as 11. Okay, so all of you get it, how to find the decoding table by using coset and how to decode the given received words. Okay, all of you get it this? So today we stop here. Thank you.